everyone, welcome to my channel. In today's project I'm using this spiced marmalade and rusty hinge distress oxide. I'm using this brush and I'm going to apply on this watercolor paper. So how is everybody doing? I hope everybody is doing fine. So I'm trying this project using distress oxides. So if you like it, please subscribe and let me know in the comments if you want me to try something different using different colors or different mediums. So please let me know. Now I'm using the second color. So I'm going to use this stamp and put it in layers. And then now I'm putting like a second layer. Now I'm using a spiced marmalade and adding that color also in this layer. Now I'm going to dry it and then do this die cut. I'm using this cardstock and I'm going to stick this watercolor paper on the top. Now I'm going to do the sentiment stamp. Then I'm going to stick everything on the card using the double-sided foam tape. Then I'm adding a couple of butterflies in the card. Then I'm going to finish it sticking the sequins. So this finishes my card. I hope you enjoyed watching it. If you like it, please subscribe, click on the bell button and turn on the notification so that I can post more new videos and you don't miss it. And please also share it with your friends, and I will see you in my next video with a new project. Thanks for watching. Bye.